Welcome to microbiology classroom. Today I want to discuss about the actinomycetes. Actinomycetes group of microorganisms, a special group of bacteria. Actinomycetes are high G plus C gram-positive branched filamentous aerobic non-motile non-capsulated bacteria abundant in soil, water, sewage. These bacteria contain high G plus C content, high GC percentage in DNA, that is above 55 to 79%. And these bacteria, actinobacteria, are classified into 6 classes containing 23 orders in 53 families of 222 genera and about 3000 species. These bacteria, actinomycetes, show characteristics of both bacteria and fungi. These are bacteria but have some fungal characteristics. Like fungi, they form mycelial network of branched filaments, but like bacteria, they possess cell walls containing peptidoglycan or murine, and they have prokaryotic nucleoids, and they are susceptible to antibacterial antibiotics. These are true bacteria bearing a superficial resemblance to fungi. These bacteria form mycelium like fungi, hence the name actinomycetes. Actino means ray, mycetes means fungi. Their common name is ray fungi, but these are not fungi, these are true bacteria. They are classified under bacteria. Actinomycetes are gram-positive filamentous aerobic non-motile non-capsulated bacteria abundant in soil, water and sewage. These are actinomycetes. They form filaments, long filaments resembling fungal hyphae or mycelium. Actinobacteria, they are morphologically a diverse assemblage of cocci, bacilli, branched rods and filamentous mycelial forms. These are of different morphological forms. Actinobacteria, they exist in different morphological forms: cocci, bacilli, branched rods and even filamentous mycelial forms. Actinobacteria, known for production of bioactive secondary metabolites. They produce different metabolites including antibiotics, anti-tumor agents, immunosuppressive agents and enzymes. Actinomycetes on solid agar medium, they produce growth. Actinomycetes grow both in the medium and above the medium and form substrate mycelium or primary mycelium in the agar and aerial mycelium or secondary mycelium on the surface of the medium. Actinomycetes produce two types of mycelia: substrate mycelium growing in the culture medium and secondary mycelium or aerial mycelium projected into the air on the surface of the culture medium. Actinomycetes produce smaller colonies compared to fungal colonies. They produce 1 to 5 millimeter size colonies, and these colonies appear as powdery mass on agar medium. Colonies are brightly colored. Different species produce different colored colonies. They produce red, orange, green, yellow, white, blue or grey colored colonies. Different species of actinomycetes, different genera, different species produce variously colored colonies due to production of pigments. The size of mycelium ranges from 0.5 to 1 millimeter in diameter. The mycelium is composed of branched filamentous hyphae. Hyphae are generally smaller in diameter, approximately 1 micron, compared to fungal hyphae, which is 5 to 10 micrometer in diameter. Hyphae break up into bacillary and coccoid elements at maturity. Actinomycetes at maturity, hyphae breaks into coccoid elements or bacillary element. Each element, coccoid or bacillary element, again produces the fungal hyphae and mycelium. Many actinomycetes have an aerial mycelium that extends above the surface and forms asexual thin-walled spores called conidia or conidiospores on the end of the hyphae. If the spores are located in a sporangium, they are called sporangiospores. Some species of actinomycetes, they produce conidiospores, and some species produce sporangiospores. Actinomycetes do not produce endospores. They do not form endospores. Actinomycetes have cell wall. Their cell wall contains peptidoglycan or murine or mucopeptide, characteristic feature of bacteria. And some species, they contain peptidoglycan and sugars like arabinose and galactose in the cell walls. Actinomycetes cell wall composition varies greatly among different groups and is considerable taxonomic importance. Cell wall is considerable taxonomic importance in Actinomycetes group. 4 major cell wall types can be distinguished based on 3 features of peptidoglycan composition and structure and amino acids in tetrapeptide side chain at position 3. The presence of glycine in interpeptide bridges and peptidoglycan sugar content. Some actinomycete species possess characteristic sugars in the cell wall. Below the cell wall, cell membrane is present. Cell membrane is made up of lipoproteins. Respiratory enzymes and oxidative phosphorylation systems, electron transport carriers are located on inner side of the plasma membrane. Filaments contain many prokaryotic nucleides in cytoplasm. Double-stranded, circular, highly coiled, folded and freely diffused DNA is present as genetic material in cytoplasm. It is called nucleoid because it is not enclosed by nuclear membrane. In Streptomyces, celiocolor has linear double-stranded DNA genome. This is an exception. Actinomycetes are characterized by high GC percentage, high guanine cytosine content in their DNA. GC percentage of actinomycetes genera ranges from 57 to 79%. Cytoplasm contains 70S type of ribosomes. The cellular organization of actinomycetes resemble cellular organization of eubacteria. Actinomycetes are readily cultivated on laboratory media. On laboratory media, they grow with slow rate. Their growth is much slow compared to normal bacteria. This is because a division cycle in actinomycetes may take 2 to 3 hours as compared to 20 minutes division cycle of Escherichia coli. Generation time of actinomycetes is 2 to 3 hours compared to generation time of Escherichia coli. Generation time of Escherichia coli is 20 minutes, whereas generation time of actinomycetes species vary from 2 hours to 3 hours. So they grow very slowly on laboratory culture media. Their growth is very slow. It takes some weeks for formation of colonies, at least 7 days for formation of colonies. Selective media are used for isolation of Streptomyces species from environment. Selective media used for isolation of Streptomyces contain inorganic salts, starch, asparagine, an amino acid, calcium malate as carbon source, and undigested casein and potassium nitrate as nitrogen sources. Soybean casein digest medium, actinomycetes isolation agar, starch casein agar, kenkenite monates medium, asparagine mannitol agar are used for isolation of actinomycetes from soil, water, sewage samples. And these media are also used for cultivation of actinomycetes species. Actinomycetes species grow best at pH of 6.5 to 8. pH range for their growth is 6.5 to 8. And temperature, optimum temperature for these bacteria 25 degrees centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade is the optimum temperature for actinomycetes bacteria. Actinomycetes, they reproduce by fragmentation, fragmentation of the filaments, fragmentation of the hyphae. These actinomycetes, they break into small bacillary or coccoid cells. Each cell gives rise to new filament, and filaments will grow and they form complex to form mycelium that develop into colony on the culture medium. Actinomycetes, they reproduce by, some actinomycetes, they reproduce by formation of conidiospores and sporangiospores. For example, Actinoplanis, Ampullariella, Streptosporangium, they produce conidiospores and sporangiospores. Sporangiospores may be motile or non-motile. Conidiospores are formed on the hyphae. They are not surrounded by any membrane or any sac, whereas sporangiospores, they are produced inside the sporangium, a sac-like structure. After breakage of the sporangium, sporangiospores are released out. Sporangiospores may be motile or non-motile. Second edition of Bergey's manual in the 5th volume classifies phylum Actinobacteria into 6 classes, which are divided into 23 orders, and these orders are organized into 53 families. These 53 families contain 222 genera of Actinomycetes, and these 222 genera are organized into 3000 species. Only the species Streptomyces species exceeds more than 500. Streptomyces is the largest genera under Actinomycetes. Streptomyces species comprises more than 500. The main species of the main genera of Actinomycetes are Streptomyces, Streptoverticillium, Streptomyces, Streptoverticillium, Streptosporangium, Actinomadura, Actinocinema, Thermomonospora, Nocardia, Nocardiopsis, Nocardiaidis, Micromonospora, Actinoplanis, Dactylosporangium, Frankia, Actinomyces, Saccharopolyspora, Corynebacterium, Mycobacterium, Rhodococcus, Bifidobacterium, Propionibacterium, Arthrobacter, Dermatophilus. They are main genera of the actinomycetes or actinobacteria. Actinomycetes, they produce geosmins, sesquiterpenoid compounds. They contain unsaturated ring of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And actually these geosmins, they produce geosmins provide characteristic earthy smell to the soil. Earthy smell or musty smell of the soil is provided by the geosmins produced by actinomycetes. Characteristic earthy odor of soil is caused by production of a series of streptomyces metabolites called geosmins. Geosmins are sesquiterpenoid compounds. They contain unsaturated ring of carbon, oxygen and hydrogen that gives musty odor, earthy odor to the freshly plowed soil. Alkaline and neutral soils are more favorable for the growth of actinomycetes. Actinomycetes grow best in alkaline soils and neutral soils. Actinomycetes, they grow in well-drained soils such as sandloams, and well-drained soils such as sandloams are more favorable for growth of actinomycetes than waterlogged soils. Water bodies, lakes, rivers, ponds also contain actinomycetes. Actinomycetes are also present on surfaces of warm-blooded animals such as oral cavity of the warm-blooded animals. Actinomycetes are a group known for production of various antibiotics. Actinomycetes produce number of bioactive compounds. They produce number of bioactive compounds. The bioactive secondary metabolites produced by actinomycetes are around 23,000, of which 10,000 actinomycetes, they produce number of secondary metabolites. These secondary metabolites are around 10,000. Actually, microorganisms produce around 23,000 of bioactive compounds, in which 10,000 are produced by actinomycetes, thus representing 45% of the bioactive microbial metabolites discovered. Among actinomycetes, approximately 7,600 compounds, bioactive compounds are produced by Streptomyces species. Actinomycetes are producing around 10,000 bioactive compounds, in which 7,600 bioactive compounds are produced by Streptomyces only. Streptomyces is known for production of number of antibiotics and chemotherapeutic agents. Streptomyces is the genera producing number of antibiotics and chemotherapeutic agents. Several antibiotics are produced by actinomycetes group, in which Streptomyces is producing number of antibiotics. Some Streptomyces species producing antibiotics include Streptomyces griseus. Streptomyces griseus produces streptomycin, which is active against both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. It is broad-spectrum antibiotic. And Streptomyces aureofaciens produces chlortetracycline, which is broad-spectrum antibiotic. Streptomyces venijulae produces chloramphenicol. which is broad spectrum antibiotic. Streptomyces aureofaciens produces chlortetracycline or aureomycin, and Streptomyces rhinosus produces oxytetracycline or terramycin. Both are broad spectrum antibiotics. Streptomyces erythraeus produces erythromycin, which is active against gram-positive bacteria. Erythromycin is widely used for treatment of throat infections caused by Staphylococcus and Streptococcus and other species. Streptococcal species, they are responsible for throat infections. They are readily treated by using erythromycin. Neomycin is produced by Streptomyces froidi. Kanamycin produced by Streptomyces kanamyceticus. Both are broad spectrum antibiotics. Streptomyces naursi produces nystatin, which is antifungal antibiotic active against fungi. Amphotericin B produced by Streptomyces nodosus. It is antifungal antibiotic. Micromonospora produces gentamicin, which is broad spectrum antibiotic. Streptomyces mediterranei produces rifampin. Rifampin is active against both gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. Rifamycin B, it is used to treat mycobacterial infections. And ivermectin is one important antibiotic against parasites. Ivermectin is produced by Streptomyces ivermicillus. Amphotericin nystatin are antifungal antibiotics. Vancomycin is produced by Amycolatopsis orientalis. It is active against gram-positive bacteria, specifically methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus. And there are also number of antibiotics produced by the actinomycetes species. There are number of antibiotics produced by these actinomycetes genera, actinomycetes species. Most of these antibiotics are produced by Streptomyces genera. Most actinomycetes are free-living saprophytes in soil. Most of these actinomycetes free-living saprophytes in soil and sewage or water. They do not cause any disease. But few actinomycetes are pathogens of humans, animals and plants. Few actinomycetes are pathogenic. Most of them are saprophytes, do not causing any disease. In humans, Actinomyces israeli, Actinomyces viscosus, they cause actinomycosis in humans. And Nocardia species, they cause cutaneous, subcutaneous, systemic lesions in human beings. Actinomyces species Nocardia, Actinomadura, Streptomyces cause mycetoma in humans. Allergic alveolitis is a disease in human beings caused by Phaenia saccharomyces. They cause lung disease, allergic alveolitis disease. Phaenia saccharomyces and the other members of actinomycetes are responsible for this condition, lungs disease. Importance of actinomycetes. Actinomycetes are playing very important role in environment and they are playing important role in soil. Actinomycetes are also playing important role in medical microbiology, pharmaceutical microbiology. Actinomycetes, they are very important. They produce number of antibiotics in soil. Actinomycetes, they produce antibiotics in soil and inhibit soil pathogens, they can be used as biocontrol agents to control plant diseases caused by pathogenic bacteria, pathogenic microorganisms. For example, Erwinia amylovora that cause fire blight disease of apple, Agrobacterium tumefaciens causal agent of crown gall disease, Rhizoctonia solani fungus responsible for sheath blight of rice, Pericularia oryzae causative agent of blast disease of rice, Helminthosporium oryzae causative agent of leaf spot disease of rice, Colletotrichum falcatum responsible for red rot of sugarcane etc. can be controlled by actinomycetes species in soil. Actinomycetes in soil, they inhibit the growth of these pathogens. They can be used as biocontrol agents to control these infections. So, Erwinia amylovora, Agrobacterium tumefaciens, Rhizoctonia solani, Pericularia oryzae, Helminthosporium oryzae, Colletotrichum falcatum, these plant pathogenic organisms can be controlled by using actinomycetes as biocontrol agents. Actinomycetes in soil, they produce antibiotics and destroy these organisms. And actinomycetes, they grow best in alkaline and neutral soils. Alkaline and neutral soils are more favorable for growth of actinomycetes. These organisms predominate in these soils and they play critical role in protecting the crops and crop plants. They play a role in decomposition of organic matter and pollutants in soil, and they play main role in biogeochemical cycles along with bacteria and fungi in transformation of the organic matter and mineralization. They are playing crucial role in decomposition of organic matter and pollutants in soil. They are playing crucial role in bioremediation. These bacteria, actinobacteria, they decompose chitin, cellulose, hemicellulose and other complex organic matter. Complex organic substances added to the soil are readily decomposed by the actinobacteria. They decompose chitin, cellulose, hemicellulose and other complex organic substances in soil. They play major role in mineralization of the organic matter. Bioremediation of xenobiotic compounds. Bioremediation of various xenobiotic compounds that is done by the actinomycetes and man-made complex compounds, xenobiotic compounds, they are degraded and by actinomycetes group of organisms. Actinomycetes, they play important role in bioremediation. Petroleum pollutants, oil spills, they are readily degraded by the actinomycetes organisms. They also degrade several man-made xenobiotic compounds. Frankia, actinomycete organism. Frankia, this form root nodules in non-legume plants such as Alnus, Casuarina, Allocasuarina, Gymnostroma, Myrica, Camptonia, and in these plants Frankia fix atmospheric nitrogen symbiotically in root nodules and improves soil fertility. Frankia, like Rhizobium, fixes atmospheric nitrogen in root nodules. Rhizobium forms root nodules in leguminous plants, whereas Frankia, member of actinomycetes, produces root nodules in non-legume plants such as Alnus, Casuarina, Allocasuarina, Cenothus, Gymnostroma, Myrica, Camptonia, and in these root nodules Frankia fix atmospheric nitrogen, it converts to N2 atmospheric nitrogen symbiotically in association with the plant, and it converts it into ammonia, and this ammonia added to the soil improves the soil fertility. Actinomycetes produce several enzymes like amylase, protease, lipase, cellulase, pectinase, glucose oxidase, peroxidase, lipoxygenase, beta glucosidase, L-asparaginase. These are the different enzymes produced by actinomycetes which have commercial industrial applications. Actinomycetes also synthesize and excrete dark pigments such as melanin that can effectively protect the living organisms from sunlight and UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation. Melanins are frequently used in medicine, pharmacology, cosmetics and other preparations. And other actinobacteria species, Arthrobacter, Rhodococcus etc., they degrade oils and oil spills. Many actinomycete species, they produce antibiotics, enzymes, plant growth promoters, and they produce siderophores. Siderophores play important role in transportation of iron in soil into the plants. They help in plant growth promotion. Siderophores released by actinomycetes, they readily transport the iron. So actinomycetes, they promote the uptake of nutrients in plants. Thank you for listening the lecture on actinomycetes, a special group of bacteria, general characters and features of actinomycetes group of organisms.